Fabrication facade panels equipped in undercut anchors can be made by portable machines. We are using David, which was used for semi-large projects like Africarium, National Forum of Music, or international projects like Palacio de Hierro or Greenfield School in UK. But if we consider very serious projects and very serious scale, we need CNC automatic machines which are 2 heads or 4 heads, high speed and much better precision. Today I will show you one of such machines and how we do this. Machine I presented today can be made on request on specific dimensions and can use 2 or 4 heads. If you are interested in such machines to enlarge your production, contact us directly. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.